this short video, I'm just going to explain how you can get replacement lenses for your glasses and saving money at the same time. It's just a short video, so it's worthwhile watching to the end, just so that you get a good idea of, by using my service, exactly how I can help you. I'll just give you a bit of background about myself. My name's Ibberson and I run an online optical company called Reglaze glasses4u.co.uk. I've got 23 years experience in the optical trade. If you have a look at the website, you'll see I've got hundreds of really good positive reviews, so I'm pleased to say everybody's really happy with my work and the lens that I supply. So at least you know that if you decide that you want me to supply any lens to you, when you send your frames to me, they're certainly going to be in good hands. I'll explain a little bit about how Reglaze Glasses for You works, in that if you're a regular glasses wearer, you're probably used to the normal routine of going to the opticians, have your eyes examined, and then afterwards they'll lead you to the frames department for you to choose a new frame, and then they'll put the new lens in there for you. They might not necessarily always discuss the lens or give you the different options as clear as they could do, shall we say. Sometimes you just given, especially if it's varifocals, you're just given lens. I like to give options, so how it works with myself is that when you've had your eyes examined, if you've got a frame that you still like, you might not necessarily want to buy a new frame or need to buy a new frame. If you've got a frame that's still in good condition, like this one, this is a perfectly good frame. It just needs new lens putting in there. This is my frame. It just needs new lens putting in there, so there's no reason to buy a new frame, so just have new lens put in. So it doesn't necessarily have to be just clear lens. We do transitions, bifocals, varifocals, sunglasses, inserts for sports, goggles, etc. And we even do blue light protection lens. These have got blue light protection. You might be able to see that hint of the coating that's reflecting on there. We use a lot of these for office workers and people that want to protect their eyes from the strong blue light coming from the computer screens. So we do those. We also I've got my own branded amber lens as well. They might look a bit strange to some of you, but people who are already familiar with the harmful effects of blue light, apart from the fact wearing them during the daytime for computer work, there's the night time to consider when you're watching television and everything, because it helps, having an amber lens helps you to sleep better. It promotes better sleep. A lot of people wear these for a couple of hours before they go to bed, watching television, just walking around the house, doing everyday jobs, and then it just helps you settle down for sleep and you get a lot better sleep. Especially shift workers will wear these when they finish the shift and then start wearing these, and they get a better sleep during the daytime. So that's just briefly. One of the other things that we do is I'm a varifocal specialist, so I do have my own brands of varifocals and I do the branded ones as well. We do an awful lot of Essilor lens, particularly the new X series and the X design lenses from Essilor. They're very good. So if you're thinking in terms of Essilor lens, just give me a call and I'll be able to explain the difference between the lenses to you. But I'd really highly recommend the X design, getting really good reviews and really good feedback about them. So apart from the fact that you can save money on a new frame, on not buying a new frame, dropped them there. So you can save money by not buying a new frame, but you can also save money on the lens as well, because as I'm an online practice, I don't have all the overheads of the high street. So even though I use the same lens as the high street, the same brand lens, I use the same suppliers We all go to the same place for our lens, but because I don't have the overheads, I can sell them for a lot less. So some of them I do get, quite often I get instances where people have phoned up and they'll want me to give them a quote for lens, and the people are saving, I've heard of them saving hundreds, not just, like £50, £70, £200 and £300 on the lens, especially if it's the very expensive branded lens. That's where you're going to get your really, really good savings. So if you've got any optical queries, if you're wanting to know about any particular lens, or you've got a query about your prescription, just give me a call. I'm always happy to help and answer any queries that you have. As I say, my name's Catherine Ibberson. If you call me, the only person that you're going to speak to is myself. Very, very rare occasions it might be my husband Colin that'll answer the phone, but he'll put you straight on to me. That's if I happen to be on another line or something, I just can't answer the phone that minute. He might answer, but it'll be me that deals with all your optical queries. If you order lens, it's me that's going to be ordering the lens, it's me that's going to be sorting all the order out, and I'll be sending them back to you and everything. So it'll be me entirely that deals with your glasses order from start right to the finish. So if you want to give me a call, please feel free to do so. I'm always happy to help. If you want to ring me on 01253 795523, or if I'm busy or I'm out of the office, you can catch me on my mobile 07767 168 822. So any calls, please don't hesitate. You're always welcome to call me. So thank you for listening. I appreciate your time, and I hope to hear from you soon.